For decades, the tech industry operated under a strict, unforgiving law of physics. If you wanted true, uncompromised, desktop-obliterating performance, you had to accept a machine that was permanently anchored to a desk. You needed a massive power brick drawing hundreds of watts from the wall, loud cooling fans that sounded like a jet engine taking off, and a chassis so thick and heavy it ruined any idea of true portability. But behind the tightly locked doors of Apple's secret development labs, a quiet, calculated rebellion has just reached its absolute peak. Apple didn't just want to refine the laptop. They wanted to completely alter the definition of what portable silicon can achieve. This isn't just a routine yearly update or a minor spec bump. This is a complete architectural overhaul that defies everything we knew about thermal dynamics and processing efficiency. This is the highly classified, heavily leaked Apple MacBook Pro powered by the untamed M6 Max chip, and it is explicitly engineered to render every other professional workstation on Earth completely obsolete. To truly understand why this specific laptop is sending shockwaves through the entire semiconductor industry, you have to look at the massive architectural shift happening right now. For the past few generations, the competition has been frantically trying to catch up to Apple Silicon by stacking more power, adding more cores, and cranking up clock speeds, often at the expense of massive heat generation and atrocious battery life. But Apple isn't playing that game anymore. With the M6 Max, they are debuting a groundbreaking, ultra-dense 2-nanometer manufacturing process engineered in exclusive partnership with TSMC. Think about the physical reality of a 2-nanometer process. We're talking about engineering at a near-atomic scale, where billions of transistors are packed onto a piece of silicon smaller than a postage stamp. Because the physical distance between these transistors is so incomprehensibly short, electrical signals travel across the chip instantly. This yields a massive double-digit leap in processing speeds while cutting energy consumption to a mere fraction of what traditional architectures require. It means the MacBook Pro M6 Max can execute complex, multi-layered workflows that would normally choke a high-end desktop rig, all while running completely cool to the touch and barely sipping power from its battery reservoir. But Apple didn't stop at just shrinking the transistors. The true secret to the M6 Max's terrifying dominance lies in its completely redesigned unified memory architecture. Traditional professional laptops force the central processing unit and the graphics card to talk to each other across a narrow, congested data pipeline, constantly copying data back and forth between system RAM and dedicated video memory. This creates a massive bottleneck that slows down everything from video rendering to three-dimensional modeling. The M6 Max completely obliterates this limitation by packing up to a staggering 192 gigabytes of ultra-low latency unified memory directly onto the chip substrate itself. This memory features an unprecedented data bandwidth that approaches a blistering 1 terabyte per second. The CPU, the GPU, and the advanced neural engine all look at the exact same pool of memory simultaneously without copying a single byte of data. To visualize what this actually means for a creative professional, imagine loading an entire, massive cinematic project containing multiple streams of uncompressed 8K raw footage, complex color grading layers, and dozens of digital audio tracks directly into the active memory at